In this video I am going to tell you about keeping a dot. You may think what is so great in keeping a dot, okay, but don't think in that way. A dot can add so much elegance to your design. So I am going to tell you how to keep a dot and how not to keep a dot. Okay, what are the common mistakes done while keeping a dot? So when you are keeping a dot, what usually some people do, they will do like this. This is a wrong way. Okay, and keeping it like this, as soon as it gets dries off, it will fall off and you will not even see the design. So that's also wrong. So how you should handle the cone, how you should hold the cone while keeping a dot is keep it 90 degree, if not straight 90 degree, at least like this, at least the tip of the cone should be like almost 90 degree. Okay, keep and squeeze. Okay, keep the dot and just simply squeeze. Keep it here. See this dot? You will really get dots like pearls, okay, that are thick and even and looks beautiful. Even after getting dried, it may not fall off easily, and even if it falls off, the color will be good. Okay, but if you do like this, the color will not be even within the dots. Okay, so if something happens like this, somehow you tend to shake, somewhere you are seeing or somebody just made a shake, so what you should do is simply leave it as it is. Okay, if the size is reached, if not, otherwise you can keep and squeeze it little more. If the size is reached, better don't try to squeeze even more. See, this is in one size and this become bigger. Okay, so don't do that mistake also. And if you want to keep a very big dot, which we usually don't in Mehndi, but sometimes if your design demands a bigger dot, then you can draw like this and then squeeze, instead of keeping it like this and squeezing. But I would prefer this method. Okay, see, this again comes out here and then, so just keep this. I'm concentrating on camera and doing, so somewhere it shakes, but this is the way to keep it out. So don't keep it like this, don't keep it like this, keep squeeze. Okay, so here, and one more thing is how we can utilize these dots in our designs so that it adds more elegance, not by just doing a dot. Okay, so for an example, if you are using a border design, you can make a zigzag line like this. Okay, so we'll start it and putting it up. This is one idea to utilize the beauty of dots in borders. Okay, so what else? For example, in border, if you want to make a simplest design, you can keep like this, and I will in my next video I will show you how you can utilize these dots and make even more designs. Okay, so the techniques will continue. I request you something, please subscribe to my channel, because every video you watch on my channel will have some other very informative tricks or tips or information that will be useful for you. So please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will not miss out any of my videos. Thank you.